Good day to all listeners. Happy Tuesday to all people living in this earth. Wala man ako subscriber. I wish na magkakaroon sana ng subscriber kahit one, kaso wala. Kaya now is the first day of the winter. For the winter here in Baghdad, it's raining time. So busy na kasi it's quarter to 7 already. If I'm not mistaken, 15 minutes to become 7 o'clock na. So busy na ang school. Ayan o, very busy na. Ayan o. Hindi ako nakapaglinis sa balkon kasi nga nag-raining. So baka bukas. Ayan o. Hindi, lilinis yung salamin, pero ganun pa rin mag-spotting yan kasi galing sa init, sa init naman, sa ulan. Kaya ayan na yung weather namin dito. You see the weather. Busy na kasi start ng mga school bus service school, mga cars, ang mga childrens, ang mga workers also sa different scale, different company, and the different categories of the workers in the daily routine. Okay, so kaming mga housemaid, wake up very early na, same as usual. So once again, I must to say thank you to all vlogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning, that what I have in 1 subscriber, 1 viewers, 1 supporters until now, that what I have. Thank you for the support to giving to my channel, for God's El Torillo. Thank you so much talaga. And thank you also to my madam and sir, the company, the family of madam and the family of sir, their friends Sisi and our little new baby, that you are helping also to support, to make free of my wifi, diba? For my live, to my download, and etc. So thank you. So ayan, for my all families now in my all Asian countries, be careful and take care because typhoon, it's the weather time of the all Asian countries talaga. Kaya be ready sa buong angkan ko, both side of my mother, my father, not only to my side, kundi to all people that we are belong in the different countries, that we have the different mga weather that what we have. Ganito ang mundo talaga. So thank you and keep safe lagi. That is the most important. And the some vlogger also that you are already the higher, and I'm connected to you. Good luck and ingatan yung maigi yung channel na meron kayo, because you spend more effort, especially your subscriber, your viewers, and your supporters that continue giving you a support. Hi! Hello! No, I'm looking only outside if I still raining. Okay, I'm just tick by. Yeah, it's not a tick. So it's windy little bit only. Okay, so bye bye. Si bye bye kayan dyan Sisi. Bye bye. Ayan na si Sisi, naka-ready na. Oy, why you go out that it's you have no wearing jacket? Bye bye.